Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan sea moss gummies. First, thoroughly rinse 1 cup of dried sea moss under cold water to remove any debris. Next, place the clean sea moss into a large bowl and cover it with 4 cups of filtered water. Allow it to soak for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight, until it becomes soft and expands considerably. This crucial step ensures your gummies have the best texture and potency. Once your sea moss is perfectly rehydrated, drain it, but save a little of that soaking water. Transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add 1 cup of fresh, filtered water. Blend on high until you achieve a completely smooth, thick gel consistency. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved soaking water to help it blend perfectly. This gel is the base for our delicious gummies. Now, let's bring everything together for our gummies. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of your freshly made sea moss gel with 1/4 cup of your favorite fruit juice for flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder, which is our vegan gelling agent, and 2 tablespoons of a natural sweetener like maple syrup. Whisk this mixture constantly over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until it visibly thickens. Once the mixture has thickened, carefully pour it into your desired silicone molds or a shallow, parchment-lined dish. Allow it to cool slightly at room temperature for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer the molds to the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours, or until the gummies are completely firm. Pop them out of the molds, and your homemade vegan sea moss gummies are ready to enjoy. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.